Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on NIO. Before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading platform and if you would like some free stock, head to the comments and description section of this video. If you use that link to sign up for Moomoo, you can receive 10 free stocks. Alright, so latest news story here showing in TD Ameritrade. It says filing deadline is October 24th in securities fraud class action. So it says here, the securities class action alleges that electric car manufacturer NIO misrepresented and failed to disclose that it improperly overstated its net income by selling batteries for its vehicle to an unconsolidated related party. NIO, an electric car manufacturer, gave customers the option to lease batteries for their vehicles from a third party through a subscription program. On June 28, 2022, Grizzly Research published a report claiming that NIO inflated its net income by approximately 95% by selling batteries to an unconsolidated related party and recognizing revenues immediately, rather than over the lifetime of the subscription. On this news, the price of NIO fell 59 cents or 2.57%. from a closing price of $22.95 on June 27th to a close of $22.36 on June 29th, 2022 on elevated trading volume. On July 11th, 2022, NIO announced that it had appointed a special committee of independent directors to oversee an investigation into the allegations in the Grizzly Research report. On this news, the price of NIO fell $2.03 or 8.98%. from a closing price of $22.60 on July 10th to a close of $20.57 on July 11th, and this was on elevated trading volume. All right, so let's take a look here at what has been going on with NIO, and we did have the earnings information come out a few days ago here. And it looks like Citigroup is maintaining a buy on NIO, but lowering the price target here to $31.30. They previously had a price target of $41.10. Let's see. So it looks like multiple analysts here have been cutting price targets after the most recent earnings here. So we saw the Citigroup one there. What else do we have? JP Morgan. They had a $30 price target, dropping that down to $25. Also, we've got a price target cut here from $48 down to $42. But a lot of these price targets are still well above where these share price is trading right now. So even though we do have some cuts here, even that one on the low end around $25, I mean, that's still about $6 above where it trades right now. So if you do believe, even the lower end of those price targets, you're still getting in at a pretty good price here. But you can see it was a loss of $1.34 per share. So that was the most recent EPS there. So let's dig into the price action a little bit here. So you can see around earnings, this thing got as low as $15.85 here on the 15-minute time frame, and then it proceeded to rip and make this big move up. So let's take a look here more into the tail end of this chart. Let me try to chop this chart in half. Okay, that's a little better. All right, so it looks like we got above a very key level here on the 15-minute, and that is right at about $18. It looks like we have a key level here at $18.75 or so, and another key level here at $18.88, and we did rip above that late in pre-market, and then early in regular trading hours, we made this huge explosion from about $18.12 all the way up to $19.60 or so. And then pulled back, had a pretty good little sell-off there during regular trading hours, had a nice pullback, and then it just started to go straight sideways. So to me, a key level to the downside I'm keeping my eye on right now is definitely $18.88. I think if we sell below that level and close below that level here on the 15-minute, it's definitely going to come down here and test this area of about $18.73 or so. And then if it cannot hold that level on the 15-minute time frame and it closes below that level, I could definitely see this thing coming down here and hitting about $18.30. And then to the upside, let's kind of zoom in a little bit here and see. This candle right here rejected 1952 pretty well. So let's zoom back out here. So I think if we can tick up quite a bit here and get above this 1952 level here on the 15-minute, and close above that level, I could definitely see this thing coming up here and hitting the $20 mark. And then if we can close above that level here on the 15-minute, I'm looking for it to come up here and challenge this area of about 2020. So some key prices I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame here for ticker NIO. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.